Don't judge yourself. You are the best version of yourself. Listen. How many times have you looked in the mirror and only seen flaws? How many times have you told yourself, I'm not good enough, not smart enough, not strong enough? We live in a world where comparison has become normal. Social media shows us highlight reels, not real life, and because of that, we judge ourselves too harshly. But here's the truth. You are not meant to be a copy of anyone else. You are the best version of you. Think about it. Every scar, every setback, every failure you faced, it shaped you. It gave you strength that most people will never see. You've survived things you once thought you couldn't, and that's proof. You are already more powerful than you believe. Stop punishing yourself for not being perfect. Perfection doesn't exist. What exists is progress, growth, resilience. And those qualities? They're already inside you. The moment you stop judging yourself, the moment you accept your own story, that's when you become unstoppable. You don't need to be like anyone else. You don't need to fit their standards. You just need to stand tall in your own truth. Because the world doesn't need another version of someone else. The world needs you. So today, look at yourself and say, I'm not less. I'm not behind. I am exactly where I'm meant to be. I am the best version of myself. And if you carry that belief every single day, nothing and no one can hold you back.